following county, Chelan County, Washington. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lincoln County, Spokane County in Northeast Washington, Southeastern Stevens County in Northeast Washington, until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Davenport to Medical Lake to Cheney and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Spokane, Cheney, Liberty Lake, Airway Heights, Medical Lake, 9 Mile Falls, Deer Park, Mowood, Town and Country, Otis Orchards, Fairwood, Green Acres, Country Homes, Suncrest, Trentwood, Chatteroy, Otis Orchards, East Farms, Meade, Dishman, and Fairchild Air Force Base.
We're going to get 2 EAS alerts in a row for Spokane County.
Destructive hail, heavy lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Areas of blowing dust are expected near and ahead of the thunderstorms. Motorists can expect poor visibilities and should reduce speeds accordingly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington: Lincoln, Spokane, and Stevens. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kootenai County in the Panhandle of Idaho, West Central Shoshone County in the Panhandle of Idaho, Benoit County in the Panhandle of Idaho, Northwestern Latah County in the Panhandle of Idaho, Northeastern Whitman County, Southeastern Spokane County in Northeast Washington, until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing large hail up to ping-pong ball size in Pullman. This storm was located near Park Line, or 7 miles southwest of St. Mary's, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Coeur d'Alene, Post Falls, Hayden, Rathdrum, St. Mary's, Dalton Gardens, Kellogg, Pinehurst, Plummer, Smelterville, Hayden Lake, Harrison, Wardner, Park Line, 4th of July Pass, Tico, Worley, Latah, Vernon Lake Village, and Tensed. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large hail. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near Lake Coeur d'Alene, get out of the water and move indoors, or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho, Benoit, Kootenai, Latah, and Shoshone, and the following counties in Washington, Spokane, and Whitman.
Gonna get it on the TV here real soon.